Hi folks, welcome back to Berrybrook, and don't forget to like and subscribe if this is your first time here. So today I've got a 2004 V6 Roadster. These cars originally put out 223 brake horsepower, so loads of grunt, but let's have a look at this front end. So on the front there is a clear lens kit, you've got overriders, you've got the stainless steel mesh, and as we move around the side, look at those, aren't they lovely, those wire wheels with twin-eared spinners as well. Finished in royal ivory, contrasting lovely against that classic blue inside. You can see we've got tread rubbers on the side. You've got side screen storage in your luggage rack, which means you obviously can make the most of your luggage space in there. Obviously you've got the parcel shelf as well. Overriders at the rear and a spare with a cover, so all matching. Nice accessories on this car actually. And look at those classic lines as we go along the side. You can see you've got wing lights, so proper classic looking car. I'll tell you what, why don't we have a quick pop and have a look inside? As I mentioned, look at that blue, isn't it beautiful? Walnut dash, wooden steering wheel, really wants for nothing this car. If you're interested in this car or any of our cars, email me, phone me, or pop in and see me. Many thanks.